Welcome to Atlona. This is our booth where we show all IP meeting space, some control system and wireless presentation units. We'll start one by one. Over here we have all IP meeting space. What is that? Is a meeting space. Could be an auditorium, could be lecture theater, but the point is everything is on the network. So we see a couple of sources here, laptops, computer. They not only connect to like an HU-based T-matrix, but they connect to a network. And wherever you need a display, you just connect a decoder. Wherever you have peripherals like cameras, these are USB cameras, perfectly fitted for video conferencing, soft codec conferencing. So the USB is going to a converter to IP, and from there to the network. Big benefit is that if you have a couple of rooms which are the same, so you can endlessly stream from one room to another. You can have a CEO giving a presentation, press conference throughout the whole campus. Everything is on the network. Also, this is a divisible space. So right now we have a separation from left side to right side. An imaginary wall is closed here in the middle. We have sources to the left side which are not available to the right side. So on the touch panel we see only one destination and two sources. If we flip the switch, that would mean now the wall is open. We have a large auditorium with a larger audience, so they need to see the same source on all the screens. You notice that the cameras are resyncing. So now we have only one source to all the screens, but also all the peripherals are connecting to that computer. So I already get keyboard and mouse, and now also the two cameras are connected to the one computer. Also now the user interface has changed, so the user has now two screens available and a couple more sources. If I change the source, actually again, this it's now the laptop over there, which is connected to all the screens. And the same will happen with the cameras. They resync, they are now routed to the laptop, and I already got keyboard and mouse to this one. So now my mouse is here with the same USB device. AV-IP is always about compression and latency. We are using VC2 codec, which shows a very short latency. We have prepared a quick demo for that. I guess that's also very nice to see on the video. So we have the time counter, hours, minutes, seconds, and frames, and you will be able to see the difference in frames. One is directly from a splitter, and the other one is via the network. To give you a hint, actually we can insert the logo to the encoder, which shows only on that screen and not on the direct source. So far for the AV-IP. Then on this side we have the wireless switcher, which we call SW510. It's a screen on here. So wireless devices like mobile phones are obviously popular. So people more and more expect that you can just use a smartphone, a tablet, walk into a meeting space and start sharing content. So here I can actually stream to the 510. I'm not connected immediately because we have the moderator mode available. So, okay. So when I start streaming, I have to enable first the source on my control panel. So now I see actually a preview of the content I want to share. So this is to avoid, for instance, students messing around with your presentation system. So when I confirm this content, immediately my phone will get shown on the screen. And for instance, if I want to show a PDF, always supports portrait and landscape mode. Actually the quality is quite good. So this is the wireless sharing with the 510. Also the 510 has USB-C inputs. That's an industry first. So this laptop has a USB-C output. If I connect to it, there is also auto input selection, so I don't have to worry for input switching. And my laptop will be shown on the screen. Even if I unplug the power so my laptop is still being charged from the USB-C. Then we show here Velocity and AMS, while AMS is our asset management system. For configuration of all the Atlona units, we have Velocity as in-room control. So all these touch panels you see here, 5.5 inch in portrait or landscape, 8 inch over there, everything is from Velocity. What is the benefits of Velocity is a software-based control system, so you don't need to be a programmer. Everything is done with configuration, so more like drag and drop, auto detection of the units. Also we have a hands-on station here, so if you still have time to pass by, feel free to give it a try. Also make sure to visit the Atlona website at www.atlona.com. Thank you for watching.